Hello students, in this part we will study about the chordates. Chordates, we have already made the table of chordates. Just again, chordates. Yeah, what do you understand by chordata? The animals which contain notochord are known as chordates. Chordates are of three types: urochordate, cephalochordate and vertebrata. Urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata. As we have discussed, on the basis of present cranium or not, there are two types of chordates. These two are acrinata and this one is craniata. On the basis of present cranium or not, these chordates are two types, acrinata and crenata. But there are three types of chordates: urochordate, cephalochordate and vertebrata. We will study first urochordate. What are urochordates? These are the chordates in which a leathery taste substance due to presence of tunicine, leathery taste is produced. The notochord is present only in tail or only in larva stage. As the organism becomes adult, this disappear. The notochord disappear. So next, urochordate. The adult body of these organisms produce leathery smell or tunic formed cellulosic like substance tunicine. Due to presence of this tunicine, these organisms are called tunica. Due to this chemical substance, these organisms are called tunicata. First feature of urochordata or tunicata is this one. These organisms are called why tunicata? Because they have a tunicine chemical substance which produce leathery smell. And the second one, development इसमें कैसा होता है? Development indirect. Circulatory system. As we have discussed, chordates maximum closed circulatory, but this contain open circulatory system. Next one is chordate notochord present only in tail में present है, वो भी larva stage के अंदर, and in larva stage. It disappear notochord. It disappear in adult stage. ये adult stage में disappear हो जाती है notochord, इसलिए ये retrogressive metamorphosis process को शो करते हैं. They show retrogressive metamorphosis. What is retrogressive metamorphosis? At the larva stage, they are fully developed, but in adult stage, they less developed. This process is known as retrogressive metamorphosis. Excretion through neural gland. एग्जाम्पल इसका क्या देंगे? सेल्फा एस्कीडिया, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डोलिलम्बी होता है, हर्डमीनिया, तो सेल्फा एस्कीडिया, एस्कीडिया स्ट्रक्चर जो अभी बुक में दिए हैं। This structure is Ascidia. These are the features of Urochordata or tunicata. Cephalochordata. Both these are accidental because there is no cranium present. Then next is Cephalochordata. What are Cephalochordata? The notochord present from head to tail region. एक तो डिफरेंशिएट क्या होगा, इसमें सिर्फ टेल स्टेज, टेल भी प्रेजेंट होगी लार्वा स्टेज में, और इसमें हेड से टेल तक प्रेजेंट है। ऑल ओवर द लाइफ टाइम, मतलब पूरे जीवन काल तक। नोटोकोड प्रेजेंट है हेड टू टेल ऑल ओवर द लाइफ टाइम, मतलब फ्रॉम लार्वे से लेकर एडल्ट। दिस इज द मेन फर्स्ट फीचर ऑफ बिटवीन द यूरोकोर्डेटा एंड सिफेलोकोर्डेटा। सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम क्लोज, डाइजेशन कंप्लीट, डेवलपमेंट इनडायरेक्ट। फ्री लार्वा स्टेज होता है, फ्री स्विमिंग लार्वा स्टेज होते हैं, दैट इज इनडायरेक्ट। इनको और भी नाम से जानते हैं, एम्फियोक्सस के नाम से। दीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एम्फियोक्सस। What do you understand by amphioxus? Amphioxus means both body, the body ends, both ends are pointed, just like as a lens. So these are also known as amphioxus as well as lenslet. Amphioxus means the body ends are pointed. Body both ends are pointed, just like as lens. So they are also called lenslet. There is no special appendages. इसमें किसी प्रकार के बॉडी ऑर्गन, हैंड, फीट वगैरह प्रेजेंट नहीं होते, बट फिन प्रेजेंट। फिन भी कौन से? डोर्सल, वेंट्रल एंड काउडल। देयर आर नो स्पेशल appendages present, but fin present। कौन कौन से? डोर्सल फिन, वेंट्रल फिन एंड काउडल। There are three types of fins present in cephalochordata. एग्जाम्पल दें, क्या देंगे इसका एग्जाम्पल? ब्रोंकियोस्टोमा, The structure of bronchiostoma या lenslet is just like this one. This one is the notochord. छोटा दे तो मैं इसे माउथ या बकल, बकल किरी बोलते हैं इसको, CIRRI, बकल किरी. These are the gonads, glands कह सकते हैं. And these fin-like structure, they contain fin-like structure, caudal fin, dorsal fin, and last at the lower end ventral fin. This is the structure of bronchiostoma or lancelet, and we can differentiate between the urochordata, tunicata, and cephalochordata. The next one is vertebrata. As we have discussed, what means vertebrata? In some animals, notochord change into vertebral column, and the animals in which notochord change into vertebral column are known as vertebrata. Vertebrata is mainly two types on the basis of beer jaw or no. jaw present है या नहीं है, इस बेस पे vertebrata जो होते हैं वो टू टाइप्स के. On the basis of jaw, there are two types of vertebrata. Which one? Beer jaw or not beer jaw? Beer jaw जबड़ा प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है, एंड नॉट बियर जाw, नॉट बियर जाw इनमें जिसमें जबड़ा नहीं है. जिसमें जबड़ा नहीं होता तो दर कॉल्ड अग्नाथा. अग्नाथा. The animals in which there is no jaw present, those are called agnatha. The animals या vertebrata in which jaw present, those are called gnathostomata. Gnathostomata. Beer jaw, these are mainly two types. One is extinct, एक खत्म हो चुकी है, जो दूसरी बाकी बचती है जो प्रेजेंट है, जिसके बारे में हम इस चैप्टर के अंदर रीड आउट करेंगे. On the basis of agnatha, the animals या vertebrata in which there is no jaw present, those are called agnatha. And agnatha is mainly two types: cyclostomata and ostracodermy. Ostracodermy is extinct. So in this chapter we will study about cyclostomata. Gnathostomata can be divided into two parts. Next, on which basis? They have fins or limbs. Gnathostomata are of two types. कौन से? Bear fins और bear limbs. Bear fins जिसमें फिन होते हैं, और bear limbs जिसमें हाथ पांव, हैंड्स एंड लेग्स होते हैं. Bear limbs जितने भी वर्टेब्रेटा है मैक्सिमम टेट्रापोडा मींस 2 hands 2 legs, 4 मतलब फिट हैं, 4 अपेंडेजेस हैं. तो bear limbs जिसमें क्या बोलेंगे? टेट्रापोडा. और bear fins उसको क्या बोलेंगे? पाइसिस. We will study about all these categories. Pisces are mainly 3 types. One is extinct and other 2 are living, which we will study about later. First one is placodermy. placodermy. This one is extinct. Chondrichthyes. And second one is Ostichthyes. We will study about Chondrichthyes and Ostichthyes in the next part. Bear fins vertebrata are known as Pisces, मतलब fishes, मछलियां हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज प्लेकोडर्मी विच हैज ऑलरेडी एक्सटिंक्ट, जो लुप्त हो गई हैं, और दो रहे कॉन्ड्रिchthyes एंड ऑस्टिchthyes. टेट्रापोडा मतलब द वर्टेब्रेटा विच bears limbs which have appendages, special hands and legs, those are called tetrapoda. Why they are called tetrapoda? Because they have 4 paws, 2 hands, 2 legs. Tetrapoda are mainly 4 types: amphibian, reptilia, apes and mammalia. These are the vertebrata categorization of vertebrata. Vertebrata on the basis of jaw, 2 types: agnatha that bear not jaw, and the bear jaw are known as gnathostomata. Agnatha is mainly 2 types: cyclostomata and ostracodermy. Ostracodermy animals are extinct already, so we will study in this part, in this chapter, cyclostomata. And gnathostomata on the basis of bear fins or limbs. Bear fins, they are Pisces or fishes. Bear limbs, those are called tetrapoda. Fins mainly 3 types: placodermy, chondrichthyes, ostichthyes. So placodermy is already extinct, so the 2 parts, chondrichthyes and ostichthyes, we will study in the next part. And bear limbs are called tetrapoda. Those are 4 types: amphibian, reptilia, apes and mammalia. Clear?